Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm gonna talk about CryptoBlades. So I'm gonna ask the question, is CryptoBlade dead, or I do not know what's going on. Basically, we're gonna find out all today. And after that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video, and let's get started. So before we get started, I would like to basically do an introduction on this. So right now, if you all know that currently I'm having a Discord channel, and on the Discord channel itself, you can see that there's a giveaway part over here, and after that I'm basically giving out free Bitcoin. And after that, from there, if you are interested, you can join my Discord channel, and after that, from there, you might be able to win some free Bitcoin that I'm issuing basically on the Discord channel only. So kindly join it using the link down below. So the question is CryptoBlade dead? So why did I say that? It's basically very simple. So over here you can see I have done a battle of basically a 20 stamina battle. You can see over here this is the skill that I received, and after that basically I used the 200 stamina, and after that from there you can see I'm receiving this amount of skills, and after that this is the amount of BNB being used as gas tax. So if you want to do a conversion, so over here you can see that skill itself, the CryptoBlade token itself, it is currently at $38, and after that the skill that they are offering per battle, I mean like 200 battles, which is around, I don't know how many, I forgot, maybe five battles. So 5 battles, it is going to give me around 0.006 skills. And after that you can see that right now the skill is offering at 23 cents per game, and I mean the whole win. And after that right now for the BNB gas itself is 29 cents, and after that you can see even though if you win 200 battles, you are not even able to recover basically the, how do I put it, the rewards to basically the fee itself. It is not even, is basically a negative. It's like if you are mining Bitcoin, and after that right now the electricity is basically eating up all the profits, and even though like you are now in negative. And I would say that probably that during that period of time, if you want to compare it with Bitcoin itself, in like mining, I would say that it is probably, Bitcoin mining is probably dead, like what some people would say. And after that there's also pros and cons. So for the pros itself, if let's say you hold on to all this skill that you have generated, if let's say the price of skill itself went up, the skyrocket in the future, basically it's like you're mining Bitcoin at $3,000, and after that from there you're holding all your Bitcoin, and after that right now Bitcoin is at 40 over thousand, and you are making like fuck tons of money. And after that I would say that this might happen, and of course this might not happen. So we are going to talk about what is going on CryptoBlades itself. So we're going to find it all out on the Discord channel. So what's going on the CryptoBlades ecosystem, I would say on the Discord channel itself, I would just start off over here. Basically they are announcing all the NFT, and after that right now we can see that previously they have this basically this mystical NFT shield that has 10k supply of it, if I'm not wrong. The first one was 10k, and after that right now it is 15k for the second batches. And after that this is the limited edition NFT, which is gonna cost like 3 skill, and after that, if I'm not wrong, previously that one was also 3 or 5 skill, either the number. So what's going to happen is basically this over here, they are introducing this shield for basically like PvP. In the future you can use it like a founder edition or whatsoever you call it. Basically you can spend souls, and after that have a chance to obtain, they are introducing the PvP, but of course right now I do not see any PvP over here. So I'm thinking that they are introducing it slowly, therefore it is being added to the game slowly. And of course, but we can see that the price of skill itself is not going up, and of course we can see that right now it is still going sideways, and after that it did not really hype or whatsoever. So if you want to scroll down even more, we're gonna read more about their updates. So over here I'm not going to talk about this, and over here, so over here we can see that this is a huge update that is written by the admin over here. And after that basically it's talking about the UI, the back end stuff, and all of this, which is not, I would say, is not really important to me. That I do not see any importance of this, whatever they are saying, it does not even like matters, I would say that. So over here they say they have done this fight optimization, resulting in a 25% gas reduction in the reduction of gas. And after that, basically right now I would say that even though with this reduction itself, the profits itself is still negative. So every battle you, even though if you win a battle, you are still receiving negative profit. Just imagine those who are coming into the game, and after that your character is at level 1 or level 2 or even below level 10 itself, you are basically losing out a lot of money, because yeah, how does CryptoBlade works is, if let's say your level is higher, basically you will earn more, and after that eventually you will keep earning and earning, and after that yeah, the higher level you are, your basically your earning will be higher as well because of your power. And after that, right now we can see that even though I'm at level 34, which I have not been playing for quite some time, because yeah, basically the profit, I mean the gas I spend, and after that the reward that I receive is negative. Therefore I've already stopped like clicking on it, and after that contributing daily. So every day I would do a 200 stamina battle previously, but right now I'm not doing it. And after that, over here if you scroll down, we can read more about it. Basically the new thing is the PvP, and after that brand new NFT consumable and rewards that they are introducing. So this is gonna be a massive update, so hopefully by then, if the PvP is out, the price of skill itself will go up or somewhere. And after that, over here we can see that there's some rework. So basically they have introduced the dust system, which is on the blacksmith itself. So let's say if you want to create dust itself, you are going to burn weapon, and after that you can create a bunch of dust. And after that, yeah, basically for the dust itself, I do not know what can it be done. Also over here, I think it can be used to, the dust can be used to combine with your weapon or something like that, and after that, from there you will earn the, yeah, the power per point or whatsoever that you want to call it. And after that, yeah, have not been really exploring the game, and I would say that busy working. And after that, you can see if we look down more, basically I think right now they are having this 2x EXP battle. I mean 2x EXP is some event that they're having, if I'm not wrong. So we here 150. So if you want to check about it, I have already downloaded the plugin, which you can basically see the probability of your win rate. So I would say that this is also a very good plugin, so you do not need to waste your time looking at whatever it is. So we click on it, yeah, basically it is, I don't know why is it happening. So if we click on this, 96%, so we're just gonna do one battle of 200, and after that, from there we can see the EXP. So over here it's showing 140. So right now on this character itself, I have 183 something. If let's say this become 2000, basically they're having this 2x EXP ongoing right now. So over here you can see yep, so right now they're having a 2x EXP for the battles, so I would say that it compensates a bit on the losses that people are generating. And after that, the less yeah, we're gonna scroll down, nothing much important. So over here, this is the marketing. They announced that they're going to do some like marketing, and of course development wise, finding more engineers, animator and whatsoever. So if you guys have the skill, you can work with them, and after that, from there, improve the game. So they also have an ad campaign, basically, yeah, to generate basically generate people coming in. Or let's say I'm unsure about what is this ad campaign about. Yeah, basically it's some reward system, as we can see over here. They say that a lot of people is accepting blah blah blah. I think they are going to put basically ads on the marketplace and onto the game itself, and after that, from there they will basically generate ad revenues, and after that basically they can put it in the reward somehow. So I'm unsure about that. Basically they need the reward pool. I will just be totally honest with you. Right now the reward pool of CryptoBlade itself, it is dry up. Why is that so? Because if let's say you do a 200 stamina battle, the reward is so little. Previously it was like giving out like free flow worth of skill, like maybe every battle you done, it is going to give you like 0.1 or 0.3, and after that, from there it keep getting reduced and reduced. Right now it's 0.06 for 5 battles, and after that I would say that the reward pool is dried. And after that, I would say, is it a dead game? So I do not know. And after that, right now we're going to talk about the crypto kingdoms that I've came across on this part over here. So over here you can see the major update on the crypto kingdom. So we're going to understand what is this crypto kingdom all about. So CryptoBlades crypto kingdom itself is another sideline of the game itself, and after that, from there they have done the fundraising yeah, basically a fundraising. And after that, you can see CryptoBlade will have its own map of 10,000, 1,000 to 1,000 grid map. And after that, from there, basically the every plot of the map itself, you can basically own the NFT. And after that, from there, you can see some of the name that they have given. Basically the NFT itself. So what is this Crypto Kingdom about? It is another type of game, and I would say it's somehow copying towards crypto, what is that? What's the game? Axel Infinity or something like that. And after that, I would say this over here, yeah, it's quite a major update. And after that, hopefully I will see how it plays out. And after that, from there, hopefully it can generate more funds towards the reward pool itself, because in the early stages, the reward pool was like vomiting so much money out. Therefore, I would say that right now, yeah, it is somehow very bad. And after that, the reward pool is not fairly distributed. And of course, on the Crypto Kingdom itself, I will just say it is another type of another sideline of game. Basically, you own the lands, and after that, this will involve some NFT that you need to have. And after that, from there, I think you can conquer lands, or maybe like have fights or something like that. And after that, basically, if let's say you want to visit the land, you have to pay or something. I do not know. So it is still ongoing development. And after that, hopefully everything goes well. So I'm gonna talk about my opinion right now. Alright, so for my opinion itself, I would say that CryptoBlade itself is somehow dead. Why is that so? It's because of all the development that they are doing. And after that, from there, it does not look like it is having any spike or whatsoever over here. So you can see, if you want to zoom into the map, I mean the chart itself, you can see that during this pump over here, the highest it went was only $42, at most almost $42. And after that, right now it's still going sideways. And even though that no matter how many major updates that they are giving out on their Discord channel itself, it feels like, I feel like the channel itself is dead. And somehow, why would I put it that way? So over here, we can see all the major updates that they are having. And after that, from there, people are not really happy with the, I mean, like not really not happy or whatsoever. But then the thing is, if let's say you have a major update, and after that, if the update is interesting enough, the price of your token itself definitely will skyrocket or even break the all-time high. It seems that basically the update itself from them is not really solid enough. And I would say that right now the reward pool itself, it is totally shitty. And after that, yeah, basically for new players itself, it's no point of you playing, because you are not going to play to earn. Basically, you are playing to lose. Therefore, I put it on the title itself. And I know that people are going to call me a father or whatsoever, but I'm just stating the facts that the reward pool is dry. And after that, right now, there isn't, I would say there's a lot of development ongoing back end. And I would say that before the price of CryptoBlade itself goes up, or I mean the skill token goes up or something, we have to look at basically the real development of their Crypto Kingdom. So I would say for the next price section of crypto, for this CryptoBlade skill token itself, it is waiting for the Crypto Kingdoms to be basically launched. And after that, from there, people get hype, and after that, understand how does the whole ecosystem work on Crypto Kingdom. And after that, from there, yeah, the price of crypto, I mean this skill token will just basically skyrocket or something. So I'm gonna do the outro now. So as we all know that currently that this Binance Smart Chain itself, CryptoBlade is running on Binance Smart Chain, and I would like to bring some attention to you that right now there's a lot of scam going on this Binance Smart Chain. Basically, people are airdropping free tokens, and after that, from there, you guys might feel that you are being you are rich by receiving the airdrops. And after that, from there, if you access the token, what you never do is basically, yeah, head over to the website of the airdrop token, and after that, do not approve or even connect your wallet onto their website itself. So I've already done a website to warn you guys about all of this. And of course, if you want to earn some free money or Bitcoin, you can join my Discord channel, and after that, from there, we can, yeah, basically have a community over there. So I've come to the end of the video. So if you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace.